Today we're celebrating the opening of Cooma Monaro Railway Museum. It's been a long time coming, 5 years in the making, and it's wonderful that you've all joined us to celebrate this opening today.
So much to love about Cooma, and certainly even more to love right now. The group that is actively involved in these projects does an extraordinary job, so I'm really looking forward to it as well.
Today is the grand opening of the Cooma Monaro Railway Museum here at Cooma Railway Station. So the opening of the museum here is quite a milestone, and it's great for the community because what we're doing is providing a year-round, all-weather attraction to complement the existing tourism market. So the museum here at Cooma Monaro Railway, it tells the story of the golden age of rail travel in New South Wales, and especially the story of rail travel down here in the Monaro, especially through the heydays of the snow. At the same time, it talks about that decline and the sad decline of railways, and you know, without telling these stories, a lot of this information, a lot of this history is going to be lost.
So Transport Heritage New South Wales supports a number of community organisations throughout New South Wales to maintain their rail heritage story. These works are funded via the Transport Heritage Grants program. It's a program of the New South Wales Government that provides funding for community groups to research or exhibit aspects of our rich transport heritage story. And here at Cooma, they've got a very special story to tell. But none of this actually happens without the enthusiasm and support of volunteers in the local community. And so our thanks go to the Cooma Monaro Railway for their efforts and enthusiasm in telling this story.